Hello and welcome. I'm Dan Kennedy, Managing Director of DK Lift Services. We are a family-run, independent service and mobility lift company. And we are opening our doors for you to experience our Dartford lift showroom. We are a specialist company focused on Part M and DDA compliance, carrying out all aspects of installation, maintenance and repairs on products such as stair lifts, home lifts, platform lifts, track ceiling hoists, service and goods lifts. We have our most popular Handycare 1100 stair lift. With its revolutionary design and friction drive functionality, we can provide an attractive, smooth and seamless solution for you. Our Handicare 2000 stair lift boasts the tightest internal rail bend on the UK market, maximising staircase space and functionality. Easy to maintain with a quiet and smooth ride that provides the ultimate in safety and comfort. The Wessex VM Homelift, a smart, attractive and unobtrusive wheelchair solution to regain independence in your own home. Our turnkey solution will provide everything from the survey to the required building works and of course the full installation of your new lift. Our Ardoo Maxi Sky, the most revolutionary hoisting system on the market, with a lifting capability of up to 272 kilograms, an automatic return to charge function and intuitive controls. It's no wonder the Ardoo Maxi Sky is a popular choice with care services and users alike. Our range of VKG service and goods lifts from 50 kg to 2000 kg, we are sure to have a solution for your requirements. Manufactured in Paderborn, Germany, the centre of the German industrial heartland. Built to the highest standard, with both user interaction and creative engineering at the forefront of its design. For more information on our services, our products, or to book an appointment at our Dartford lift showroom, you can search for us at dkliftservices.co.uk. Alternatively, you can give us a call where one of our friendly team will be happy to assist you. We don't just provide solutions. We don't just provide suitable solutions. We provide the best solution for you. So from everyone here at DK Lift Services, we look forward to seeing you soon.